ChemWhat channel, Chemistry and Biology Insights.
Rising silver prices are fundamentally reshaping the global manufacturing landscape. As the clean energy transition accelerates, demand for silver from solar photovoltaic systems, electric vehicles, and artificial intelligence data centers is experiencing unprecedented growth, while silver supply constraints continue to intensify. This market transformation has positioned silver substitution technologies as a critical imperative for manufacturing industries worldwide. Within this evolving landscape, ChemWhat, a global leader in nanometal technologies, is delivering transformative solutions across diverse industrial sectors through its innovative metal coating technologies. The core principle underlying this technology involves the precise deposition of silver layers onto alternative conductive metal substrates, thereby preserving silver's exceptional electrical conductivity properties, while substantially reducing silver consumption. This technology has achieved commercial maturity for low-temperature applications and is currently advancing breakthrough solutions for high-temperature environments, ensuring thermal stability across metals with varying melting points to deliver oxidation resistance performance comparable to pure silver systems. This technology platform finds extensive application across multiple strategic industries. In the photovoltaic sector, each solar panel requires silver for electron capture and current conduction. ChemWhat's coating technology enables solar manufacturers to achieve significant raw material cost reductions while maintaining power conversion efficiency. As global renewable energy deployment accelerates, this technology is facilitating more competitive cost structures throughout the solar value chain. In the automotive electrification domain, contemporary electric vehicles require 2 to 3 times the silver content of conventional internal combustion vehicles for battery management systems, power electronics modules, and electrical interconnection systems. ChemWhat's nano-coating platform provides automotive manufacturers with economically viable alternatives, supporting the rapid scaling of electric vehicle production. In electronic device manufacturing, from mobile computing devices to high-performance computing systems, virtually every electronic product incorporates silver-based components. The technology enables electronics manufacturers to optimize production costs while maintaining stringent performance specifications, thereby enhancing competitive positioning. Touchscreen technology represents an exemplary application case for ChemWhat's technological capabilities. Through precision coating processes, touchscreen manufacturers achieve superior tactile sensitivity while realizing substantial raw material cost optimization and enhanced product durability and reliability. Within industrial manufacturing applications, ChemWhat's nanowire and conductive paste product portfolio provides manufacturers with comprehensive material solutions. The strategic advantages of metal coating technology extend significantly beyond cost optimization. This technology platform delivers multiple value propositions. First, exceptional performance characteristics, where coating technologies maintain or enhance electrical conductivity while providing superior corrosion and oxidation resistance. Second, manufacturing efficiency improvements, as advanced coating processes streamline production workflows and reduce process complexity. Third, supply chain resilience, as reduced dependence on single precious metal sources enables enhanced raw material risk management. Furthermore, this technology aligns with sustainability imperatives through optimized material utilization and cleaner production methodologies, enabling manufacturing sectors to reduce environmental impact while improving resource efficiency. As global manufacturing demand for high-performance, cost-effective material solutions continues expanding, nanometal coating technology is emerging as a pivotal driver of industrial advancement. ChemWhat, leveraging its specialized expertise in nanomaterial sciences, is enabling enterprises across diverse industry sectors to achieve both technological and economic competitive advantages in increasingly dynamic market environments.
ChemWhat channel, Chemistry and Biology Insights.